All of you, good morning. So today we'll discuss some assignment 13, 1st, 8, 2020. It's an incoming senior CO assignment. So the first question is gene regulation is gene regulation. Gene regulation is, that's the question. So gene regulation is a expression of gene expression or a function of gene. This both comes under a regulation of gene. Second one, housekeeping genes are. Some genes are continuously expressed. Some genes are continuously expressed. Such genes are called as housekeeping genes. Best example, the genes of the genes which code for hexokinase. It's the first enzymatic reaction in a glycolysis of respiration. Luxury genes. Some genes are occasionally expressed. Some genes are occasionally expressed. Best example, heterochromatin, occasionally expressed in a transcription. Usually euchromatin involved in a transcription. Such genes are luxury genes. In prokaryotes, gene regulation occurs. In prokaryotes, gene regulation occurs at a beginning of a transcription. Beginning of a transcription. In eukaryotes, gene regulation occurs. In eukaryotes, gene regulation occurs at a 4 level. There are 4 checkpoints. First one, transcriptional level. Second one, processing level. This is called splicing. Because in eukaryotes, hnRNA is produced to convert into mRNA called splicing. It takes place in a nucleus. The third one, the formation of RNA in cytoplasm to transport from cytoplasm to, the RNA which is formed in a nucleus. So the RNA which transport from a nucleus to cytoplasm for synthesis of protein. So this is a third level. Now the fourth level, translational level, that is called protein synthesis. Next one, expression of gene regulated by. The gene regulation is regulated by environmental factors, physiological factors, metabolical factors. These all are regulated. Operon is proposed by the scientist called Jacob and Monod. Operon proposed by Jacob and Monod. Operon is what is a operon? That is the question. What is a operon? It's a functional unit which control one metabolic activity. Next one, in eukaryotes, gene expression has 4 levels. Gene regulates. So, gene regulates. For an example, during the development of zygote, during the development of embryo, so gene regulates. One is a development of embryo. Some genes are regulated. Some genes are expressed. In the similar way, differentiation of embryo, some functional genes are involved. Thank you.